Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this session, I am going to cover JQuery event object attributes. Let's see them in action. Our DOM is simple. We have UL, we have list item 1 to 5, we have span with ID message div, hello world. Purpose of this exercise is when we click on list item 1, I would be printing list item 1 in message div, and when I click on list item 2, I will print the click event. Let's see how we are doing it. In case of li equals 0 bind click, when click event occurs on li, simply get the text of li using event.target.innerHTML, put it in message.text. In another example, li.equals 1, that means the first li, okay. Then when li is clicked on event, get the type of event. So we are setting the type of event in the message div. You can see the output. When I click on list item 2, it shows click. Now let's see the other properties of event generator. Here it contains properties related to event generator. Say target, type. Target is basically the event generator. Type is what kind of event is being generated. Key code, if you have pressed the key screen X where mouse have currently X position, screen Y the Y position of mouse, Alt key is pressed, Control key is pressed, timestamp of the events. Let's see these examples in our practical session. In this example, we are going to cover various attributes of event object. So here we have 5 LIs. When my first LI is click, so I have bind a click event with first LI. Then we are passing an event to the function, and to print the value of LI we are using event.target, which is my LI dot inner HTML. So this will print the value of li in message div. So list item 1 is the value of li. It will be printed in message div. Next, on click, we again use the function. We are passing event. So here we are printing the type of event which is being raised. Let's see and verify the output. Here list item 1, when it is clicked, it is passing the value of list item 1 to the message div, and in case list item 2 is clicked, it is giving click.